Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again in the last week of online tutorial of Universitas Terbuka. And this is our last week. I hope that you already finished to answer all of the discussions forum and also the 3 tasks that presented in your account. Yeah, because I would like to inform you that you should complete all of the discussion and also tasks to get a good mark for your final score in this semester. Well, in the last week, yeah, we will still have one materials. This is main ideas and supporting details. Yeah. So the learning objectives of this week is that you will be able to understand the different concept of main ideas and supporting details when you reading an English text, and also you will be able to locate the main ideas in each paragraph, and the last one you will be able to locate the specific details of a text. Yeah, so you already know that main ideas usually comes in the beginning of the paragraph, and then if the writer already put the main ideas, usually the next sentence will be supporting details or supporting sentence. But not every paragraph has the main ideas in the beginning of the paragraphs. You can see here the descriptions of the main idea as a kind of desk or a table. So you can see that this is the main idea, yeah, and then it has more than one supporting detail or supporting sentences. When you want to put supporting detail, you can use your personal opinion, or maybe you can prove with result of the research or maybe factual things, yeah, that can be taken in the newspaper, for example. Yeah, so what is the main idea and what is the supporting detail? So this is the example. Main idea or the core concept, yeah, so this one has related information about this one, and usually the writers put the supporting details, yeah, in the related information. It can be in one paragraph, or the main idea can be put in the first paragraph, and then another supporting details can be put in the next paragraphs until the last. Yeah. So the example of this is the main idea is the uses of the Library of Media Center. This is the main idea of the text, and then the related materials, the related information is that teacher using the internet, and then the large group presentations, and then another one, students accessing the internet. All of this one has related information and the supporting details. Yeah, you should be able to differentiate between them. Usually, yeah, supporting details consist of the writer personal opinion about the related information here. So there are still another information in this slide. I hope that you can continue read this one by yourself, and then don't forget to read or answer the discussion questions to make you more understand with this topic. Well, because this is the last week we meet in this semester, I would like to say thank you for your attention during this semester, start from the first week until the last week. And then I would like to apologize if I have some mistakes, yeah, from me. Maybe we can see and meet again in the next semester with another courses. Yeah, thank you very much for your attention for this semester, and see you on top. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.